What's up guys, here I have the scooter, Xiaomi Mi Pro scooter here, Pro 1 or Pro 2, you can call it whatever you want, but it's actually the same scooter. I've unlocked it, I flashed the custom firmware and currently would like to show you what it can do. Actually, first of all, it's the cruise mode, so you see I'm using the scooter hacking utility app and you can change the settings here, so you can lock it, you can activate cruise control, always active tile light, direct power control can be available, show speed as miles or kilometers, and curse level can be adjusted. In addition, using the scooter hacking utility, you can flash your scooter. So currently this scooter supports up to 33 km per hour, which is maximum speed. Of course, the real speed depends on your weight, but 30 km per hour definitely it will ride. Although here we have you can customize the speed for speed mode, maximum 33, you can put eco mode speed, and you can put drive mode speed, up to your preferences, what you like to do it. Also, there are many other customization settings available, especially for brakes of the scooter, but all of this you can do using the scooter hacking utility flash options. Actually, you can see even show parameters here. When you connect it, you can check the parameters of the file. For example, let's load some firmware available. Download, select one file, click done, and show parameters here. You can see what can be adjusted. So you can adjust the ampere, you can of drive mode, eco mode, and sport mode. Also the maximum speed can be adjusted. Throttle level parameters, braking level, motor start speed, brake light, flash frequency, throttle current tracing coefficient, brake current, voltage limit, wheel size, and version spoofing. So this actually what the custom firmware can do, and in case you unlock your scooter, you can control all those characteristics. All the others keep and change, it's similar than on a stock firmware, and in general I really enjoy riding the custom firmware. And in case you like it, just install it, try it by yourself, and leave a comments below, leave me your review and your feedback, and see you next time.